wala po kaming ginawang masama sa anak niya.
You're very sorry for what?
Umiiyak sila nung nag-sorry sila.
Sorry, pero wala po kaming ginawang masama sa anak niyo.
They were crying, both of them. And they even offered to donate a certain amount to a charitable institution of my choice.
Sabi ni Mr. Mulak na nag-meet kayo sa bahay ni Attorney Annette Gozon, ang Vice President ng GMA7, na nag-apologize kayo. What did you apologize for?
Your Honor, ang sabi po namin kay ninyo, we're very, very sorry, pero wala po kaming ginawang masama sa anak niya.
You're very sorry for what? What did you apologize?
We did not apologize po. Ang context po is, sorry, pero wala po kaming ginawang masama sa anak niyo.
No, why? Kung wala kayong ginawa,
was
sandali
clear.
lang. Kung wala kayong ginawang masama, ba't ka magsasorry?
Ang context po kasi, yung parang, sorry, pero wala po kaming ginawang masama sa anak niyo.
Hindi, medyo nagugulan ako, medyo may pagka-weirdo.
So, yun po yung buong sentence namin.
Sorry, Robin, ha? Hindi, ganito lang, sorry, Robin. Ba't ako magsasorry sa'yo? Anong ginawa ko, di ba?
Kasi buong sentence po siya, hindi lang po siya sorry. So, sorry po, pero wala po kaming ginawang masama sa anak niyo.
Hindi nyo, pwede bang, kung meron kayo idadagdag doon sa sinabi, bakit siya why did he apologize? For what?
Senator Jinggoy, ito po sinasabi ko, ay talagang umiiyak sila nung nag-sorry sila. They were crying, both of them. And they even offered to donate a certain amount to a charitable institution of my choice. Para lang masettle yung
Is it true?
Ang sagot ko po sa kanila, ako, tao lang ako. Diyos nga marunong magpatawad. Kaya ko kayong patawarin. Pero kailangan pagbayaran niyo yung ginawa niyo.
Is it true that you were offering something sa charitable institution? Is it true?
No po, Your Honor, kasi that would be very insulting po.
Huh?
No po, Your Honor.
Oh, they are denying it, Mr. Mulak.
Senator Jinggoy, Ms. Annette Gozon was present during the incident.
Okay. I had an investigation of my own. I will ask both of you, okay. The gala was held at Marriott Hotel, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Both of you, Jojo Nones and Richard Dode, hindi Dede, are billeted at Belmont, which is a walking distance from Marriott Hotel, correct?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Jojo texted Sandro if he can come over to the room.
I did not text that po, Your Honor. In fact,
Did you have the copy of the text messages? Kasi dinilit mo lahat, nasa may telepono ko. Dinilit mo lahat yung mga messages eh. You have a copy of the text messages? You sure?
yes po,
Pag
Your Honor.
nirecover namin sa Globe yan o sa Smart yan, pakukulong kita rito. Now you better tell the truth.
Yeah, I'm telling the truth po, Your Honor.
You did not.
Hindi po sa akin nanggaling. Kay Sandro po mismo nanggaling.
Remember, you're under oath.
Yes, Your Honor.
Huh?
Yes, Your Honor.
Meron ba? If
I
you
am
can,
under oath,
if
Your
you can
Honor.
show me proof that Direct Jojo texted Sandro